This video we will discuss about the Terraform variable. If we're talking about the Terraform variable, we have a multiple way to define the Terraform variable, and we will do the discussion step by step. So one of the basic way to define the Terraform variable is we can define it in the same file in which the Terraform TF code is available. So just assume that this is our main.tf file, and over there I'm only going to create a instance related to the GCE, and this is the GCE instance name, and here I defined N1 standard one machine type. So Terraform will create a VM with this name and using that particular machine type over the GCP. So let me fire the Terraform apply command over there. Why it's going to create a three network interface boot disk. Okay, something goes wrong. Let me save it first, and then it's calling from the cache. Let me reapply the Terraform apply command. Yeah, it's going to add a one VM. Let's check over the console. Here I have only the single VM available, and once it's successfully completed, over there I am having one more VM available. Let's refresh the page and you are able to see that VM has been created with the instance type and one standard one. Yeah, this is the instance type. Let me destroy it. Now we will do the discussion. Right now, I am having the requirement to create a single VM. But what happen if I have to create a 10 VM, 20 VM, 30 VMs with us for the same application? If we're talking about the production environment, that particular time there may be some chances that to create a VM for a particular application which require at least 10 VM to run the application successfully. Or sometime we have to create a VM for the database. And in that particular scenario, we have to create a similar configuration VMs uh, with of similar configuration VM for the cluster use. On that particular scenario, we have to create a multiple VMs. So I'm going to comment that particular part. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create three different GCE instances in which I will define the machine type using the variable. So here I define the variable name instance type, and the default value for that particular variable name is N1 standard one. If we're talking about the default parameter, then here we have a multiple way. We will do the discussion later how to define or how to manage the variables. But right now, this is our starting video. That's why I'm going to define from the scratch, or we can say from the basic. So here I'm going to define a variable using the parameter variable, and then you can supply any name referencing the variable. And this is the key and this is the value. Wherever I will define var.instance type, this is the instance type which I define it over there. Wherever I will define the var.instance type, this having the value n1 standard one. So we can Assume that instance type having the value of n1 standard one. It's a key and it's a value. So here I define the machine type. In the machine type, I defined where. Where is calling or where is searching for the variable. So this is the variable parameter. And then where will search the variable name instance type. This is the variable name having the instance type. So it will try to fetch the value from this particular variable content. So here I define the instance one having the machine type n1 standard one, instance 2 also having the same machine type, and instance 3 also having the same machine type n1 standard one. The one use case is if we having the multiple repeated value over there, we can create a variable, or over there we can define the variable. Either if any requirement to change the value n1 standard 1 to n1 standard 2, if I will not define the variable, then I have to change the value on all the three GCE instances declaration. But right now I declared the variable value. If any requirements come to change the machine type, I directly replace the value over there and it automatically picked by all the instances. Here I'm having only the single VM available, and if I will try to fire the Terraform apply over there, it will going to create a three different VM, which all the VMs having the same machine type. Let me refresh the page first, and you are able to see that. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Let me save it first. Let me save the code first and then destroy it. After that, I'm going to recreate the instance type. It's deleted. Now it's going to create a three different resources, and all the resources having the machine type and one standard one. Instance 1 having the machine type and one standard one. Instance 2 also having the machine type and one standard one. And instance 3 also having the machine type and one standard one. So in this video, we discuss about the variable, and one use case we checked whenever we have to supply the same value over the multiple paths, then we can use the variable parameter to avoid the typing mistake over there, or sometime for the production environment there is a requirement to create a resources for multiple applications. Over there we can change the t-shirt side of the VM. Thanks guys.